Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session we will see how to install Ajenti Control Panel on Fedora 34. Ajenti is a lightweight, powerful and responsive web-based control panel GUI that helps server administrator to manage remote servers without any glitches. There are many plugins available for system and software configuration, monitoring and management. By using these plugins, we are able to install manage all the major services including web servers, mail servers, DNS, network monitoring service, file system, firewall, MySQL, Samba, FTP, Squid, etc. Now I'm going to check the OS version. Use this following command. This is OS version Fedora 34, and then I'm going to download the Ajenti and its dependency by using the following command. Press enter. Installation completed, and then I'm going to set the firewall for the public access using the following command. And then reload the firewall. After reloading, now go to the browser. Enter your IP address with Ajenti port number. This is login page for Ajenti. Enter your system username and password here. Now login. This is dashboard page for Ajenti Control Panel. You can see here your system performance. You can access your plugin files, file managers, terminal, daemon service files, everything. With this process of installing Ajenti Control Panel on Fedora 34 comes to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.